Welcome, little yogis! Time to strengthen and tone your body. Roll out your mat and let's begin!
Let's begin.
Arm reach. Extend both arms straight up toward the ceiling, parallel to each other, with palms facing inwards. Gaze. Turn your head to the right and look out over your right fingertips. Starting position. Lie flat on your stomach with your arms by your sides and legs hip-width apart. Starting position. Lie flat on your stomach with your arms by your sides and legs hip-width apart. Starting position. Start in a standard high plank pose with your hands flat on the floor, directly beneath your shoulders. Legs and feet. Extend your legs straight back with your toes tucked under, hip-width apart. Form a V shape. Straighten your legs and arms to form an inverted V shape with your body. Extend your spine long. Squat. Bend your knees deeply over your ankles, lowering your hips into a squat. Forearms. Start on hands and knees, then lower your forearms to the mat shoulder width apart, palms flat. Front leg. Step 1 foot forward, bending your knee at a 90-degree angle directly over your ankle. Lifted leg. Lift your back leg straight up behind you until it is parallel to the floor. Stance. Stand with your feet wide apart. Front foot pointing forward and back foot angled slightly out. Keep both legs straight. Arms. Reach your arms straight forward, parallel to the floor, with palms facing down. shoulders. Roll your shoulders back and down, opening your chest forward. Belly down. Lie flat on your stomach with your legs together and arms alongside your body. Legs and feet. Extend your legs straight back with your toes tucked under, hip width apart. Back flat. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Torso. Keep your chest upright, spine long, and focus on a steady gaze point.